Hi Stuart, sorry to hear about your E25 error code fault on your Bosch dishwasher SMS25EW00G. That is not the full model number, firstly. You normally end up with a / and a couple of numbers after this. You will need to get the number off the identification plate. Now, sometimes Bosch etch into the stainless steel on the door the full model number. Don't just take it off the control panel. Now, I'm away for 3 weeks at the moment, so I can't do any one-to-one calls assisting people because I'm actually going to the trade show in Berlin, where actually Bosch has a stand there, which I'll be visiting. But what I've done for you is added 3 videos on this page that I've created for you, and the link's in the description. One showing you how to clear the E25 error code. The other one is showing you how to change the pump. I've also managed to obtain you the exploded diagrams of your machine. And if you go through to the 5th or 6th one down, you will see that the reference number on the diagram for the pump is 0455. Now, if you take this number and go down to the bottom of the page, you will actually find that that matches up to the genuine pump number, which is 00631200. This pump is easily changeable if it needs replacing. I hope this helps you. Remember, if I'm away for the whole of the next 3 weeks, so if you do need any further assistance, I'm not getting my emails every day. It's only when I'm stopping on the way to Berlin. So do send us a contact us page, use the contact us page, and send us an email if you need any further assistance. I hope I put everything on this page that will help you. And there's also a little bit after the end of this video to assist you in using the page. Have a good day, mate. Hope this helps. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component. But there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us. And if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.